Good evening, everyone. This is James coming from Dividend Stock Talk. It is 11:03 p.m. Come on, open up, open up, open up, open up. There we go. 11:03 p.m. Sunday, September 10th. Oh my goodness, September 11th. That's tomorrow. What happened September 11th? A long time ago. Wow. Okay. 11 p.m. Sunday, September 10th, 2017. Dividend Stock Talk. What do we do here? We invest our give out tips on investing in dividend stocks and how to do it for weekly and monthly cash flow. Because that's what I'm all about. I want weekly and monthly cash flow. I want to spend an hour or less a day earning my money and passing on the information that I know. Now you, as a student, my job would be, would be to teach you how you can take control of your own money and invest it in a way that makes sense to you, that's safe, secure, and you get a great return every month. Not yearly, because we don't live yearly. We live day to day, month to month, week to week. So that's the way my investing goes. My strategies are for weekly and monthly cash flow. That being said, let's jump on in and see where we stand. Now, we did sell off our position on Colgate-Palmolive. We held it for a long period of time, longer than I wanted to. If you're kind of curious what's going on, go check it out tomorrow, go to the page, find out which was yesterday's broadcast, and just review it. It was relatively simple, nothing drastically important or anything like that. So we are at the point where we're going to figure out what to do with all this money for tomorrow, because tomorrow it's a new day, a new way. So tomorrow is the 11th. And these are all the companies that have dividends tomorrow. All right, 023. I never heard of them. I'm not going to chase them anyway. It's only 8 cents. 0101. Who are they? I have no clue either. They're paying 2 cents. And 0386. They're paying 1.5 cents. How do you get 1.5 cents? Okay, doesn't make any sense. But let's find out, just out of curiosity, who are they? China Petroleum Chemical Company. Imagine that. Who are they? Well, that's who they are, China Petroleum and Chemical. What they do, how the heck did they end up here? Why are they only offering $0.015? Because, well, I shouldn't say that. Because if their stock is, let's say, $1, penny's not that bad. It's 1%. 50 cents, that's 20%, or 2%. Okay, 0, 3, 8, 6. We can't find this symbol. Please try another or check the spelling. Okay, symbol right there. 0386, China Petroleum and Chemical. All right. So much for them. Let's just skip them because I really, I can't be bothered. All right. Seriously, I can't. Put numbers. Right. Okay. That being said, let's go back to where we are. Okay, so tomorrow being the 11th, we'll be looking at trading stocks in the week of the 25th, which is the 5th week in September. Okay, this is what we have to look at. We got 5 companies. I'm going to say 4 because China Resources Land Limited, they have a symbol, a number as a symbol. And you put the number in, and you come up with nothing. Okay, 1109. 1109, hit enter. Nothing. Why are they even trading? Plus, they're only offering 1.2 cents. No, not worth our time. So the only ones for Monday that are actually worth our time looking at is gas.es and RPAI. But that, wait a minute. Yes, because this represents the third week, the third Friday of the month. Because the first Friday of the month was Friday the 1st. Second, third. So monthly options expire this upcoming Friday. So almost any stock that has an option is going to be a valid play for this week. And that's what we're going to do. All right, company's on the 25th. Let's see who they are. All right, CHRYY. CHRYY. All right, I'm going to tell you, just by looking at this now, I don't want to be involved in it. It's a $13 stock, right? $13.84, and look how choppy it is. What I mean by choppy is, look, a gap up, gap down, gap up, gap up, gap up, up, gap up, gap up, gap down. It's like all over the place. Do I want to be involved in that? No, thank you. Next one. All right. I hear you in the background saying, hey, I want to see that. So I'm going to show it to you. Seasonality right there. What is she going to do in the next couple of days? Or the next week? Okay, that's the 8th. You want to go to the 15th, 14th, 15th. Okay. So by looking at the seasonality of this stock, it looks like a good play. But do I really want to get involved in it? And I can almost guarantee it's probably not going to have any options with it being that kind of choppy. Probably no options at all. See? No options. It doesn't have an option. EURN. Euronav Ord. Never heard of them. Euronav. All right, never heard of them. They're offering 6 cents. Let's see what they're going to look like for the next couple of days. Upwards, love it. Do they have options available? Let's see. EURN, EURN. Try it again. EURN. Right, option. They do have options. Okay, so you got 5 days for these options right here. The stock is at $8 now. The only one worthwhile is this one right here. Okay, do I want to make this trade? No, I do not. Not for 5 cents. I sure don't. Okay. So if we make it, it's a 5-cent return, which means I'm going to put up $2,500 to earn 50 bucks. He in the background laughing your ass off. Yeah, that's funny. Ain't worth it. Okay. GAS. GAS. .es. .es. Oh, can't find that symbol. So we're not going to do that one. So our pie, you like that? That's our pie. That's not your pie, that's our pie. RPAI. Seasonality on these guys. Down to the 13th, 14th, 15th. Back up. That's kind of like it's going sideways. That's not worth it. All right, I'm sorry. It may be worth it, so let's check it out. Standard chart. Our pie started out the year at 1661. Within a week, it jumped up to 1733, which is the high for the year. It took about a month and a half to drop down to a trading range of 14, 15, so in that area. It traveled that way about 4 months. Dropped down to 14, traveled for a month and a half there. Took about a month or so to hit the 12 mark, and she's been traveling between 12 and 13 for the past 4 or 5 months. And she's at 13.55 right at the moment. So let's look at RPI and see what the trading on that one looks like. RPAI. Retail something America. I don't know. $13.55. See, we want to look at the third. There is no $13.50. $12.50. Okay, she's $1 in at the $12.50. But 180 to 310. That's a big spread. And I'm liking to think that that's not right. For 5 days, it can't be worth what it is. It's very challenging. Trading options is challenging after hours because see, look at the size of the spread, $1.80 to 310. That's a huge spread. So I'm not going to get realistic numbers looking today. Okay, if I wanted to, I would look and see what this number here was, what it last traded at. And is it really last traded at 245? Because you put 245 on top of this, you're looking at $14.95 for a $13.50 stock. That ain't worth it. Okay, so I'm going to say no to this one because the numbers just don't work. You know, you put up for 10 contracts, you put up $2,400 and you're bringing in $50. That's a huge risk for such a small reward. Okay, we're gonna hit no on that one. Tuesday the 26th, we have AH. That Mercer International, Corn Ferry International, Electrolux B, and Armada Hoffler Properties. Why can't we see any of these? I can't see the chart on that one, so how do I know if it's a good one or not? Well, can't find the symbol either. It's funny, they put them on the site, but when you try to find them, they don't exist. Imagine that. All right. KFY. Corn Ferry International. KFY. That looks interesting, but I'm going to pass on it. Did you see that? Less than 2 seconds, and I'm going to pass on it. Why am I going to pass on it? Look where we are. We're at the high of the year. Right now, this is high. It's not going to go any higher. Well, it could go higher. You never know. It could. But I don't like to be at the bottom of the year, and I don't like to be at the top of the year. The top of the year is at, what, 37? All right, so it's a high of 36.84. Right now she's at 35, gone down a little bit. Okay. Can she go back up? Yeah, she could. Do I want to go and try to be there? No, I don't. What are we looking at seasonality-wise? That is where we are. All right, another good reason to say no. Here's where we are now. Well, what are we looking at? All right, for the next few days, next few weeks, down. Sorry, next company. And I feel bad about that. Here's a company that has thousands of employees, all going to work on time, all doing a good job, all providing for their family, all contributing to society. And here I am saying, hey, your work is not worthy of me investing in your company. I feel bad about that, I do. But it's nothing personal. It's all business. Do the numbers work? Is it worth my while to invest my money for the numbers that just don't work? Because yeah, I could do it, but do I really want to invest $2,500 to bring in $50? No, it's not worth my time. Well, not worth mine. If you want to do it, be my guest. All right, Mercer International. We already said no to them. Let's look at the that chart that's going towards the downside. And the regular one didn't look so hot either. Yeah, the high of the year. That's where we are. No, thank you. Okay, so we have nothing for nothing looked good for Monday. Nothing looks good for Tuesday. Wednesday, let's see what we're looking at Wednesday. Singapore Exchange. All right, they're offering 9.5 cents. However, they're a number, and then it's not going to pop up. Okay, how do I know? Let's go more on S68. Trade S68. Can't find it. See, some of them I just don't even want to bother trying with. All right, 9 cents not worth it. NTP 7 cents. Nam Thai Properties, nothing. Mondelez International, 22-cent dividend. Okay, let's take a look at them and see what they say. MDLZ. All over the place. She's down towards the low of the year. Ooh, let's see what the season. All right, here we go. Let's go through it because you want to hear it. Starts up the year at 42, travels sideways for quite a bit in the 41, 43 area. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, almost 4 months in the 41, 43 area. She then jumps up to the 44, 45 area and trades for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months before she jumps up to make the high of the year at 47. Drops back down to that 44 area, and then she proceeds to drop down to 43 and trade for almost 2 months in the 43 area. Now she is at close to the all-time low of $40.22. She's at $40.63, which is very low, too close to the low of the year. So this one is not going to make me happy camper. See what she looks like seasonally. Seasonally, she got a sideways thing going. Okay, tomorrow she's going to wake up here. She's going to go sideways. At the end of the week, she's right there, which is going to be almost no change whatsoever. So I'm thinking no change is good because it puts us in a position where we can make money if the stock stays the same or goes up. MDLZ. And there you go. All right, for 5 days at the money at 40.63, which would be right here. 35, I like that number there. That will allow me to do 50 of those. What we'll make out for this? $750. Put 1,800, and we walk with 750. 750, I can deal with that for one trade. Right, there we go. First trade of the day. CY. Who's CY? Cypress Semiconductor offering 11 cents. Let's see what they look like. Seasonality wise, she's going to go sideways for a week. Right there. For a week. Sideways. Let's see what the chart says. All right, she starts out at 11, drops down to 963, slowly works its way up to high of the year of 15 bucks. She got her classic retracement going sideways between 13 and 14 for the rest of the year, which is where she still is now, 13.47. So let's see what these guys have to offer. CY. Between 13 and 14, this is where she is. So we're looking at the 12.13. Should be 94.6 cents. I'm not quite sure if 6 cents looks like a good one. I don't know. let's see what that looks like. Okay, we could be putting in $4,600, $4,700 and make $300 off of it. She had 5 down days in a row. Okay, you know what they say, the trend is your friend right up to the end. So I'm not quite sure if we got triple bottom here, bottom, bottom, bottom. If I'm looking to get another one. I'm not really looking to get another one. So how do I take care of that? Almost make it worth our while to do. I'm going to wait another day on this one. Doesn't seem quite, it doesn't give me the warm fuzzies. It does say, do I really want to own them? I don't know. Let's find out. Check out the fundamentals. Reduced, that means they don't want you to buy it. They could care less, care less. The street, they think it's a good buy. And natural form from void. On the way, there you go. A brief description of what they do. And that gives you the buy and the sell. Okay, that works. CTY. CM. CM, what are we looking at? How do we get over to CM? I don't know who that CM is. All right, CM. Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. Okay, they're offering $1.03 on an 86. That's a little hint right there. 88,666. Starts out the year, the Royal Canadian Bank, or whoever they are, 77. Takes about 2 months to make the low of 72. From there, it takes about 2, 3, 4 months to make the high of the year of 92. From there, you get your pullback, which pulls way back to the 78 area, bounces off of that, right up to 82. Then between that and where she is today, the 86 area, 3 up days in a row. This looks great. Can she make the next dollar to 87.66? She could, because she's been there before. But let's just check and see what it would look like if she has options. CM 86.50. Yeah, see, the 85 is going to make it worth the 495. So you ain't going to get that for very much lower. I mean, because you're $1.66 into it. Let me get comfortable here. Oh, I know this is very unprofessional, but it's another day. I'm tired. I shouldn't be tired. I'm above ground, have all my pensions. Everything's working just fine. This one, don't get me wrong, she's going sideways. She's a little uptrend, 3 nice days in a row. I'm not seeing it because the numbers just aren't working. If you wake up in the morning and they give you a better number than 495, it might be worth it. You know, put however many contracts you want, hit the confirm and send, and they'll tell you how much you're getting. Okay, here's the offer, or here's the trade itself. Buy 10 verticals, tells you what they are, blah, blah, blah. Here's your break-even point, 84.95. Your maximum profit is $50. Maximum loss is almost $5,000. If you ask the 5, that'd be 1%. That's not a good one. See, the number just doesn't work. So let's get out of there. All right, you guys gotta come up with some questions. Really do. Can't be sitting here blurting out all this stuff, giving you all this useful information, being a plethora of useless knowledge. Anyway, that being said, that's CM. CM doesn't look very favorable. That's not giving us anything to work with. Do I really want to go at the 85, 90? No, because it's in the middle. I'm only going to make money if the stock goes up. If the stock doesn't go up, I don't make the money, and it's not worth it for me to do. Let me find one that's going to be beneficial. CY is not it. Let's try CIM. Chimera Investment Corporation. CIM. All right. CIM starts out the year at 16. And about a month it takes us to get to the low of the year at 1463. And look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 months to hit the high of 21 bucks, just about 21. She went sideways for a couple of weeks at the $20, $21 area. She hit 20.34, panicked a little bit, and then the stock dropped. I'm assuming she passed out. She jumped ship. I don't know for a fact. This is just my assumption, because you got a stock going from 14 bucks up to 20 bucks. Okay, it's a $6 move, almost 50% in a couple of months. What happened when she's up there? Don't know. But look at the volume underneath it. People either bailing out or people jumping in. You know what? Collected all my money that's in there. Let me unload it. So she unloads it in 86. And then the stock drops. And it stays down there. You come up to a point where 19 drops again. And it goes sideways. From 1878 over to where she is today, which is 1885. It's a good number if we can get a decent spread on it. CIM. It might not even have options. Up there they are. And look, I get the spread right there. The 17-18 spread is $1. The 18-19 spread is 80 cents. But the stock still has to go up 15 cents before you're even at the money. And then that option of 17 is not worth a whole heck of a lot. Nothing over here is worth anything because it's costing you $1. That doesn't look very promising. Okay, so what we're going to do now is check and see if any questions. No questions. Come on, guys. You got to come up better with that. Email me a message. Text me a message. Post me a message. Ask me a question. Anything. Have at it. Feel free. Okay, that being said, I got really nothing to look forward to. I checked them all. Ain't no way I'm going to go through 97 of them. 97. Not on here, I'm not. Okay, almost every one of these has a potential to have an option to hook up to it. I can skip quite a bit of these. Almost get rid of all of those because we're not going to be chasing anything less than 20 cents. Alrighty. That being said, it's 11:32. I'm going to sign out for today because you guys don't have any questions for me. So I am going to catch you guys tomorrow because we're going to do the exact same thing again tomorrow, except for we're going to be looking at some of these stocks that are coming up on Thursday and Friday because we get 97 coming up on Thursday And Friday we got 21. Okay, that being said, we're out of here for today, and we will catch you again tomorrow. You guys have a great day. This is James from Dividend Stock Talk, and we'll talk to you later.